Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Jin from Masagari Channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagan natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is Seven Archangels urgent message for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kaya ang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So, guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na sa mga hindi na po nag-i-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik liglig umapo ang biyayang na matatamuin ninyo. Maraming salamat. Umpisahan na natin. Angel Spirit Messages for the sign of Sagittarius. Wow. There's a Nine of Cups. There's a wish fulfillment. Maaring mayroon ka ditong pangharap or may dreams rather or goals, no? Na may isa sa katuparan. At the same time, there is some Three of Wands. No? Parang nag-aantay ka na lang ng resulta. Or there's a waiting for a ship or waiting for a result. So, sinasabi dito ba, some of you, there's a travel. Baka may naantay ka na makakaalis ka na from galing sa ibang bansa or galing dito, uwi ka na, pupunta ka na ng ibang bansa. Or sinasabi dito, there's a hangman na there's a new perspective, no? Na sinasabi dito na baguhin ng eksena nyo at baguhin ang pananaw. Additional messages. Oh my God! Nagkakaroon daw ng delays dito dahil sa toxicities. No? Kailangan nyo kumawala sa toxicity. And of course, there's an Eight of Swords. There's a negativity. No? Kumbaga, ang dami nakapalibot sa inyong negative energy. And of course, there's a judgment. There's a wake-up call. Or there's a red flag. May paalala sa dito ang iyong divine or angel spirit messages. Parang gano'n. And of course, there's a Six of Cups na parang red flag pagdating sa past person. Kumbaga, there's a lesson from the past na kailangan, kumbaga, dapat ay nasa nakaraan na lang, no? Wag nang ibalik sa kasalukuyan. Parang ganon. Kumbaga, wag pilitin nang bumalik ang nakaraan. Parang ganon sinasabi na, there's a red flag. May paalala sa'yo dito, there's a past person, no? So, what is the Six of Cups? What is the Six of Cups? There's an Emperor. Be mature enough. Kumbaga, maging mature kapag dating sa mga goals and of course, dreams mo. So, what is the Three of Wands? There's a Queen of Coins. So, some of you, ang inaantay nyo ay about sa trabaho, negosyo, no? So, what is the Hangman? And of course, there is a Two of Cups. There is a delays pagdating sa partnership. Some of you, there's a business or there's services, something na, kumbaga, nagkakaroon ng delays, no? So, what is the Six of Swords? There's a Four of Coin or something na Four of Pentacles. Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na kailangan nyo magtipid kasi sobrang toxic, sobrang bagal dito ng pagpasok ng pera sa inyo, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito with the Eight of Swords na parang nakakaramdam ka ng pagtumal o kumbaga, pagbagal ng pasok na magandang kapalaran sa'yo pagdating sa finances. Kaya mag-budget ka. So, what is the Judgment? Ang Judgment is a Chariot card na taking action. Kumbaga, there's a red flag or there's an awakening or something na may paalala sa'yo ang divine or either there's an angel's number messages na magbibigay sa'yo ng paalala. So, what is the Six of Cups? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's an Eight of Wands. There's a fast communication and fast movement. Kumbaga, kumbaga, there's some messages or email na matatanggap ka. And of course, there's an Eight of Cups, no? Letting go, no? Kailangan mo na talaga mag-move on dito sa ex mo na to. And of course, guys, there's an angel's number 888. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a potential for abundance, no? Kumbaga, may salapi talaga na involvement dito, no? Ang swerte sa'yo ay papasok, pero limitan dahil sa blockages. Nagkakaroon ng delays that because of some blockages. Pero pag to nagtuloy-tuloy yung pasok, pasabog talaga. Pag natanggal yung blockages, tuloy-tuloy na to. So, what is the Nine of Cups and of course the Emperor? There's an hermit card. There's a soul searching, no? Kumbaga about sa spirituality daw, no? Kailangan may mga bagay na malaman ka dyan about sa mga yung mga dasal-dasal or something na makakatulong sa'yo or orasyon, pampalakas ng negosyo, hanap buhay. Or some of you, there's a charms no, na makakatulong sa'yo para makapasok ng magagandang swerte. At the same time, like, excuse me, yung mga crystal stones or gemstone na makakatulong sa'yo by healing at shocks for good fortunes. So, let's see what is the Three of Wands. And of course, there's a Queen of Coins. And of course, guys, there's Tree of Life. So, ibig sabihin, sanga-sanga, no? Kumbaga, parang nasa family-related nyo na yung ganyang eksena, no? Kumbaga, maaaring pagdating sa business, kumbaga, nasa ugat nyo na yung ganyang trabaho or ganyang negosyo. So, what is the Hangman? Of course, the Two of Cups. There's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition. Listen to your gut feeling, no? Meron the Two of Cups even in your partnership. Kumbaga, meron ditong love life na, kumbaga, lutang yung person niya, hindi makatulog, kumbaga, some of nowhere, nagigising ng alanganing oras, that because of it, may gumagawa ng hindi maganda, no? And of course, tendency, nagkakaroon ka ng anxieties and depression and deceptions. At the same time, there's a stress. So, what is the Eight of Swords? And of course, the Four of Coins. Feeling ko, laki ng sense ko dito na, ang gumagawa nito, it's either your ex or, family related or something kapitbahay. There's a see, there's a naiinggit. May naiinggit, ibig sabihin pamilya to or kapitbahay to, ha. Okay. There's a Knight of Wands. There's a slow and steady. Kailangan mong alamin, no? Huwag ka maging padalos-dalos. Kailangan mo maging mahinahon sa pagkilos kasi nakakakuha to ng information sa'yo, no? Para nagkakaroon ng inside job. And because there's a the Moon card, revelation, no? There's a secret reveal. Makikilala mo tong tao na to. Yung hindi mo inaasahan na siya pala ang gagawa. Bilang you have no idea. No? Tapos biglang magsisingin siya, tapos malalaman mo na siya pala yun. Parang hindi mo lubos maisip na magagawa niya yung mga ganon, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Ang outcome is the Page of Cups. Listen to your intuition. Pero minsan ka na nagkaroon ng gut feeling. Na minsan ka na nagkaroon ng vibration or hinala. No? So, what is additional messages? And of course, I told you so. There's a Seven of Wands. Protect your power, protect your energy. No? Kailangan protection mo yung sarili mo dito. Kasi talaga kung hindi, the Five of Cups, financial loss, mauubos sa'yo lahat. So, what is additional messages? Don't you worry. There's a justice. Makukuha mo what you deserve. Pero ang sinasabi dito, kailangan mo mag-take ng actions. At iwasan na magbigay ng information sa iba, lalo-lalo na sa paligid mo. There's a Five of Swords self-sabotage, no? Nagkakaroon ng self-sabotage kasi hindi mo naman kasi talaga lubos sa kalain or either kaibigan mo. Tapos yun pala, syempre yung kinukwento mo lahat-lahat ng eksena mo. Yung pala siya yung gumagawa sa'yo ng pampamalas or pampabigat. 'Di ba? Hindi mo akalain, kaya at yung sinasabi ko na, itong revelasyon na malalaman mo, hindi mo akalain siya pala ang gagawa, 'di ba? Kasi siguro, ay either na pinagkakatiwalaan mo, either na, kumbaga, nagtitiwala kayo sa kanya, either na, kumbaga, there's a friend involvement, at the same time, there's a family related. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kailangan maging mautak at maging, maging protection ka sa sarili mo. Kasi kung hindi mo po protection ng sarili mo, tendency, financial loss, or nagkakaroon ka talaga ng, kumbaga, pagbagsak dito dahil unti-unti ka nitong kumbaga, hinihila pa baba that because of sa negativity. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. What is the Love Oracle card? There is a butterfly. See? A growth and a transformation in inner child. Or some of you meron ditong immature person na, kumbaga, naiinggit sa'yo. No? Kumbaga, isip bata. Parang ganon. So, what is there's a relationship involving. Ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga may relasyon na involved. Either ka mag-anak mo nga, kaibigan mo nga. And there's a soulmate connection. Kumbaga, there's a soul contract. At the same time, there's a both, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, moving on to the closure issue. Kailangan mo na tapusin tong pattern na to or itong issue na to. Kung hindi mo matatapos to at the end of the time, kumbaga, patuloy pa rin ang kamalasan na mararanasan mo. So, what is additional yin and yang oracle card? And because there's a trust, divine timing. See? Time to heal and time to progress. At the same time, there's a distance. Retreat, o kailangan mo ng, kumbaga magdistansya. Magbigay distansya at hindi ka dapat magbibigay ng information, lalo-lalo na sa sarili mo. Sa mga kaganapan sa buhay mong nakakatuk kung paano ka mag-earn ng, finances or resource of income or something. There's a growth, no? Kumbaga may ugat ng pinanggagalingan tong eksena na to. May inggit na lihim na hindi mo akalain. So, what is additional messages? Additional messages, see, protected. Kailangan mo talagang proteksyonan yung sarili mo. At the same time, there's some family. Oh my God! There's a family related. My goodness. Kini-clear out ng ating mga gabay, ha? It's either relatives to. So, what is additional messages? It's either hipag, bilas, biyanan, kapatid, diba? And of course, there's admit the truth to yourself and act accordingly. Hindi mo kailangan magpanggap o hindi mo kailangan magtago kung ano man ang meron ka, 'di ba? Nagiging pretender ka. So what is additional messages for the chakra? Perseverance, no? Kumbaga magtiyaga ka lang at may pagtitiyaga ditong sinasabi. At the same time, there's a trickery, no? Hindi mo alam, niloloko ka na pala at pinaglalaroan ka behind your back. And of course, there's an instinct. Pero nagkaroon ka na ng ng pag-iisip na hinala, no? Ganon. Let's see what is additional messages. Para nagkaroon ka na ng kutub. What is additional messages? And of course, guys, there's rehearsal choices, no? Parang magkakaroon ka ng, parang nahihirapan kang mamili or something. And of course, there's a goddess insight na parang nagkaroon ng pasilip, parang pinasilip na to sa panaginip mo, na ahas or something na may tumatraidor sa'yo or something ganon. Kumbaga, this is it, no? Makikilala mo na siya at nakilala mo na nga. And of course, there's a clarity and cleansing. So, kailangan mo mag-cleansing, ha? There's a full of negativity talaga. Ibig sabihin talagang nagpopondo siya sa'yo para magawan ka ng negative energy. So, let's see what is Arcangel Raphael. What is Arcangel Raphael? Change position. So, ibig sabihin sa mo, yung baka nagpatingin ka na rin sa manggagamot, pero may mga bagay na hindi pa nagki-clear out sa'yo. Pero kailangan mo magpatingin sa second option para mas ma-clear out ka. Or something na baka nagpapatingin ka sa doktor. Kumbaga, kailangan mo magpatingin ulit sa ibang doktor para at least alam mo sa sarili mo, ma-clear out or mapagtugma mo yung nararamdaman mo talaga doon sa nakikita. And of course, kung walang nakikita sa doktor, let's proceed ka sa spiritual. So that may medical and of course spiritual. Pero mauuna muna yung medical para at least kung may findings or wala, 'di ba? Makakapag-proceed ka for healing sessions, for spirituality. And of course, there is an yes. Oh my God. There's a yes, oh. Kumbaga meron ditong pinanggagalingan talaga. So what is the Jesus loving quotes? What is the Jesus loving quotes? My Father give you the true bread from the heaven. Ibig sabihin dito, ibibigay daw sa'yo ni God. Yung talagang para sa'yo, no? Parang iyahain niya yung pagkain na alam niya makakabusog sa'yo. Like, parang siya parang sinasabi dito na ibibigay niya yung mga bagay na alam niya marami kang matututunan. Marami kang mapagdadaanan dyan at marami kang malalaman at mapapalawak ang iyong kaalaman. So, what is the Montology? Sinasabi ng Montology is you and your loved ones are safe. At the same time, your commitment is being tested. Some of you may asawa, may kinakasama na commitment talagang pagdating sa relasyon na yun talagang tested na kayo. So, what is the energy? And of course, there's a deceit. May mangkukulam talaga dito, T. May mangkukulam talaga. So, what is additional messages? Angel of strength. Sana sinasabi dito, pinapalakas ka at magkaroon ka ng confidence sa sarili mo na kaya mong solusyonan at kaya mong resolbahin tong problema pinagdadaanan mo. So, let's see what is the angel's number. What is the angel's number? There's a 0, I am limitless. So, sinasabi dito, Pagdating daw sa mga bagay-bagay, walang limitado. There is no beginning and of course there's a no end. All is infinite. It is time to develop your spiritual sides. You are gaining new sights and understand of both godly and earthly things. See? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng, i-develop mo yung spirituality mo. No? Kumbaga, meron ka ditong side na kailangan mong malaman. Excuse me. At maunawaan, no? May mga pasilip sa'yo or there's an instances na, kumbaga, there's a signs or synchronicities na hinahatid sa'yo ng ating angel spirit. Kumbaga, nagkaroon ka ng panaginip, kumbaga nagtutugma doon sa mga nararamdaman mo. Either, baka hindi ka makatulog, or either, baka balisa ka, or either, nagigising ka sa of nowhere, or either, nananaginip ka ng mga ahas or kumbaga mga disgrasya or sakuna, yan, isa pa yan, or something na sinasabi sa'yo dito na kumbaga yun yung pasilip sa'yo by intuitions, dreams, and of course, vibrations. So, let's see what is the messages of life. What is the messages of life? And of course, sinasabi ng messages of life dito is an inner truth. No? Sinasabi niya sa'yo dito, today, I choose to see myself as significant. I acknowledge my true strength. I remain steadfast in the face of adversity. If I stumble, I pick myself up knowing that I am filled with the power of the universe. I accept the appreciating myself in every way. I contain the most precious treasures of this world within me. The universe shines through me. Papakita daw sa'yo ng universe dito, lahat ng mga bagay na alam niya makakatulong sa'yo. Kumbaga may mga bagay na, kumbaga i-unfold siya, may mga bagay na ililip up siya, may mga bagay na i-clear out sa'yo. Kumbaga may mga bagay na i-full out, no? Iaalis sa'yo or idadagdag sa'yo. Depende na lang yan kung paano palalakasin ang spiritual mo. Kumbaga sinasabi sa'yo dito, palakasin ng loob, palakasin ng sarili, maging kalmado, at maging mahinahon. So guys, this is a 7 Archangels urgent message for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, welcome, at maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. And of course, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, maraming salamat sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalong-lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads, naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig nag-uumapa ang bumalik sa inyo. And of course, comment down below your full name, birthday, and of course, location nyo kung asa kayo sulok ng mundo para sa susunod na reading natin. Baka energy mo na ang masagap at mahagilap ng ating mga gabay. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!